Hello, everybody. My name is Abraham Sogoba. I am currently taking English 1301 at Grayson College. Today, I will be talking about how a digital lifestyle contributes to the spread of rumor. This topic is very important because the use of the internet has become an important subject that it became a part of our daily activity in life. In this project, I will be comparing the spread of rumor in the pre-internet life to the spread of the rumor in the internet lifestyle. And also, I will be talking about how to fight fake rumors. Work on this project to run my presentation. I will define the two main concept of this presentation, which are the digital lifestyle and the definition of rumor. What is a digital lifestyle? A digital lifestyle can be the use of internet, email, Facebook, Twitter, computer, smartphone, and other electronic devices. And what is the definition of rumor? For the definition of rumor, let's listen to Professor Nicholas Defon- Defonsos is a professor of psychology. He defined as what is rumor. Here is a rumor can be true or can be false. Okay, in this presentation, like I said earlier, we will be comparing the pre-internet life versus the internet lifestyle. So in the pre-internet lifestyle, which means before the use of internet became so wide like today, people used to communicate either by fax or either by telephone or face-to-face communication, which means if I have to communicate to Mr. X or Mr. Z or Mr. Y, I have to be able to go talk to the person or to be able to use only a phone to try to call the person, which the news would have took a longer time to reach a big amount of people than when we do it today. And the internet lifestyle, which is the life we living right now, is whenever uh, I can sit in my living room and click on the social media and then see somebody posting from the other end of the world is look like he's grouping everybody in the same room. So facing to rumor when you face to fake rumor, how to fight fake rumor? The best way to fight fake rumor is to deny the rumor publicly and aggressively, and also to post publicly what is the truth about the rumor. The good example of that is the example of President Obama was attacked by fake rumor about his religion and his place of birth, and because they were trying to stop to block him from becoming a president during the presidential election 2008, and for that him and his team has created a website called Fight the Smear, and they have publicly and then defend their cause there. So what the worst thing to do when fighting rumor? The worst thing to do when fighting rumor is to just say no comment or fighting a rumor that are true. On working on this project, I have used sources like the YouTube video of the interview of Professor Nicholas DiFranzo on the rumor psychology, and I also have used a lot of text in our writing and reading across the curriculum person, which is the textbook that we're using right now. Thank you for watching this video.